Hi everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a dual SIM version of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and we're going to show you how to insert and remove the dual SIMs from the SIM tray. So you want to take that same SIM removal tool that you see on all the iPhones. A straightened out paper clip works as well. And you want to find the SIM tray, which is on the right side. There's a small hole. Push into that and the tray will pop out. Pull it out with your fingernails. So if you look closely on this, you'll see that it's different than a normal iPhone SIM tray. There's actually two slots, one on the front and one on the back, and they both have that notch in the corner so that the SIM card can only face a certain way when the metal contacts are pointed outwards. So as you can see, the normal one from the top here fits in like normal. The back is a little bit different. There's actually a clip that you have to push in, so you want to kind of slide it in from the end and slide it forward and it locks in. And as you can see, when you flip it over, that side is locked in, but if you flip the other side over, the card actually will fall out. So you want to make sure that that side, the unlocked side, is facing up, and that's the side that's facing up when you put it into the phone when the screen is facing upwards. So the hole will be actually pointed towards the bottom of the phone, so you want to line it up very carefully. Kind of hold it with your finger, make sure the cards don't slide out, and then push it all the way in gently and make sure that it's all the way flush. And of course, since this is a dual SIM phone, it gives you some special options for selecting the data plan and the default phone number. So that's specific to iOS for dual SIM phones. Okay, so that's basically it for inserting two SIM cards into the dual SIM version of the iPhone 11 Max Pro. Removing is basically the same steps. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to check out our other videos for the iPhone 11 Max Pro and many of the popular phones here on Howtechs. Thanks, bye. The card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also